Connecting Roblox to Discord is actually very simple, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is open up Discord. Let's do that here. Now once we open up Discord and it loads, we're going to go to the bottom where we see the dialog box that displays our name. At the far right of that dialog box, you see user settings. You click on user settings. And in this search dialog box, we're going to type connected apps. And we're going to click on connected apps here. Now, under connections, you see it says add a new connection. By default, you do not see Roblox in the first listed applications, but when you click on view more, you can see Roblox down here, and we're going to click on Roblox. Then it's going to ask you to log into your Roblox account for authentication. And once you're done connecting, this is what it should look like. You're going to confirm and give access. It's going to redirect back to Discord. And from here, we're going to click on allow. Just like that, you should be able to connect your Discord to your Roblox account. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. And on that note, I'll see you in the next one.